time how to make videos. Ever since we moved to the new house, it's been working non-stop. So haven't had really a lot of time to make videos, but I got something pretty cool to show you. If you are wondering why your car doesn't shine the way it used to shine, like when you first bought it, or if it's been over a year or whatever, it might not shine the same unless you do these things. What I'm gonna show you is a before and after. Like, I already did pretty much all the car except for the hood, so I can show you guys what it looked like and the difference between the before and after. This is nothing new, this is really old, but I asked one of my friends if he ever used it and he had no idea what it was. So I figured there's a lot of people out there that they still don't know what it was, or if it even works, if it's real snake oil. It actually does work. I'm about to show you, and it's really not expensive and not hard to do either. So let me show you what I got. So first of all, I am not sponsored by my wires. This is not a sponsored video of anything. This is just personal experience, and you can use any brand that you would like, but what you want is a clay bar kit, and it comes with the following stuff: quick detailer spray, microfiber towel, and your clay bars. So normally that's the lucky guy that get all the work done, but today we're gonna be using the wife BMW. And let me show you the hood. I haven't done yet, right? So you see all them watermarks. I know the paint is black and it might be a little bit hard to look at, but it doesn't look shiny at all. So you can feel the surface itself is gonna be like rough. It's not gonna be smooth. I mean, you can even listen to it. But just to give you a couple examples, we're gonna put this bottle in here, right? The bottle is not gonna go anywhere because the surface is so rough. But now I'm gonna give you another example. You're gonna have to listen carefully, but you can definitely listen to it. Okay, so this fender I already did. The hood is not done yet, and I just want to show you. Maybe you can listen to this, right? You don't hear anything, but in here, you might think that it's dust, but I'll show you something. If we get the microfiber towel, we clean it, right? And we'll do it again. Nothing. So that's how rough the surface is on the one that I haven't done yet. But super simple. Pretty much you're gonna spray the area, clean it up first, make sure you have no dirt in it before. And after it's clean, then you can do this, spray the area with the quick detailer, and then we're gonna start rubbing the surface with the clay bar. So you just wanna get the area wet, and then with your clay bar, you're just gonna start going over the surface. It's gonna have some kind of like restriction, like it's gonna try to hold the clay bar when it's dirty, like when it's really dirty. And the more you do this, the cleaner it gets, and it starts getting really smooth again. And you can even hear it when it's dirty. You can hear it when it's smooth. You cannot. And then you can see like all the dirt that is coming out of the top surface of the clear coat. Okay, now once we do that, and you feel like there's no more dirt in it, then we're gonna clean it with the microfiber. So now we might not be able to see it because, like I say, it's black and it doesn't really show that much in the camera, but you can listen to it. Look. So you can tell definitely that here is clean and the rest of the hood is not clean. Now it's July, it's sunny, it's hot out there. It's really hot. I don't have AC yet in the garage. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the garage after, but I'm not gonna bore you to death. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the whole hood, and then I'm gonna put that same bottle where we tested the first time, just so you can see how rough the place was and how you can compare before and after. So I'll show you in a little bit. So check this out. This is just going over with the clay bar. And like if you wanna even make it more deep, more shiny, you can go in with a buffer and a polishing compound, and man, it'll be like a glass. Man, it's hot. We're done. So remember when I put the bottle in there? I'm gonna show you again. Like right now it's pretty good. Let me show you. Remember when we put the bottle here and it didn't even move because of how rough was the surface? No matter what I put it now, it's gonna move. So I almost forgot to show y'all the garage. I said I was gonna show you. It's a mess everywhere, so try to don't judge me too much. Air compressor, welder, it's gonna be on this side of the wall. This is a 3-car garage. My box is gonna be all in the middle bay. Like I said, it's a work in progress. In here, those windows go through my office, but I have to take for some reason they don't let you have windows in the garage like that, so they have to cover it for the inspection, and now I have to get them out and clean them up and all that. But here's the other side. What I'm thinking is this side is gonna be a TV, a bar area, a hangout spot pretty much. I got my beer fridge and my simulator. Can't forget the simulator. I love this thing. But yeah, that's for the garage. It's a work in progress, not even close to be done. But I'm pretty excited to be working here now. So we're done. The car is super shiny, super clean, ready to go. You're done. Have a cold one if you have enough age to have a cold one. Enjoy yourself. Look at it, whatever. Let me know if you never seen these or never tried. I recommend you to go to your favorite auto parts store and go get yourself one. If you never done it, you're gonna see a big difference in your paint on your car. So yeah, let me know if you didn't know, and if you did it and you use it, let me know what you think about it. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys around.